Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Studio 6 Vicksburg, MS Downtown. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Studio 6 Vicksburg, MS Downtown features free Wi-Fi and free parking. Cable TVs are included in each room. A microwave and refrigerator come standard in each room. An alarm clock and telephone are also included. Laundry facilities are available on site at Studio 6 Vicksburg, MS Downtown. A 24-hour reception is included for added convenience. Biedenharn Coca-Cola Museum is just 4 minutes walk from this hotel. Guests will be 1.6 miles from Vicksburg National Military Park. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.